Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Koli. Today I want to share my experience about getting SC-100 Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect certificate, and also about the taking exam and learning material which I used. And yeah, I just cleared this exam last week. I got my cybersecurity architect certificate from Microsoft, which was a really, really big step for me in my career. And I want to share the experience with you. So, as you already know, I have also some other videos regarding exams and Microsoft certificates. Yeah, for AZ-500 or 900, the other exams. So you can watch them if you want to take the others. But if you want to specifically take this exam or any other Microsoft exam, so you can also watch this video, right? So the first important thing is this exam SC-100 Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect page. You can see here you find all the information which you're needed. So the cost of the exam is $165 US dollars, and you can see the learning material here. So design a solution that align with the security best practice. Is a security operation, security solution for application, and also for infrastructure. Yeah, these are the four main categories of the exam, and you can find the documents and learning material here. So the official Microsoft one. Here you can take a free practice assessment. So once you are a bit ready and you have studied a little bit, so you can check here to take the exam, so free test to see how good you are, which area you have problem, which of them you are good, and also there is some preparation video by Microsoft here. You can watch them, and also here the other episodes here, and this is gonna be helpful. So basically this is your first step, yeah, so first single source of truth. So what to do and which exam materials you need to learn. Here, for example, you can see training, a certification guide, or anything related to this exam and a certificate. So the second thing which I suggest is security workshops. So here, Microsoft Cybersecurity Reference Architecture, read about them, just understand what are the different architecture, what you need to learn, what you need to understand. So these are some, general architectures that Microsoft is focusing on for, generally when you want to design some solutions. So this page is really helpful as well. It's important. So these are the two main pages of Microsoft Learn, but of course there are some other stuff that you can also learn. Yeah, so once you are going to these documents and learning materials, you will see some links to other pages of Microsoft Learn, so you need to work on that one. So first of all, I need also to mention that, so for this exam you don't need to know everything in detail. So basically you have to have a broad knowledge about everything, but not too much in detail. Yeah, so because the exam is about the architecture, yeah, it's not about deploying and implementation. So for example, it's asking, we want to do this, what do you suggest? Yeah, so we want to implement this kind of services to reach these goals, and these are our goals. Which services or which architecture should we use? Yeah, so it's not gonna ask you, okay, how we can set up a firewall. Yeah, so the question is, okay, in which scenario we need a firewall, yeah, but it's not going to ask you, okay, how we can set up a firewall, rules, policy, and those kind of things. So this is a difference between this exam and, for example, AZ-500, which is really, really, I would say, in detail, and you need to know a lot. But here you need to know the Azure solutions or Microsoft solutions and the documentation. So the other thing which I highly suggest is yeah, John Saville. So this video and 100 SC-100, yeah, Azure Architect Expert. So this is really good. The other one is course introduction. So this is the first episode. It's a SC-100 Microsoft Cybersecurity Architecture. So it's a playlist there on Microsoft and on YouTube. So you can watch that one. It's helpful. And also the last one is the SEC exam. Yeah. So this SEC exam, you can watch it. and basically you can test and train it. So there are 175 questions here, so for free, and then 350 if you get the contributor access. Yeah, these exams are really helpful. So they are mock test and the sample test, which are close and really similar to Microsoft exams. So I highly recommend that you get this one and practice it a couple of times before you go for the exam. So I think that's it. And yeah, so I would suggest, yeah, you can have this one. And just one thing, so you have to have there is a prerequisite for this exam. Yeah, so you cannot directly go to for SC-100. You have to pass some prerequisite course like AZ-500, SC-200, SC-300. Yeah, and these are the exams that you need to pass before one of them, yeah, before going for this exam. You cannot directly go to this exam, so it has a prerequisite. So I highly recommend that you read this page, and it is mentioned. And yeah, before going to the exam, so make sure that you already have one of those certificates. So I think that's all for this exam and for this video. If you have any question regarding the exam or any certificates, so write in the comment. I will read them and I will reply you. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to take the exam, so good luck, and let me know if you want to take it, and let me know, of course, your result. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.